Now this is the model home, so this is the Trevi. So of course the garage is finished as their office, but you'll at least get to see the floor plan. And again, you are at 1,943 square feet. Again, smart lock. So the entryway to your right, you have linen closet. And then on around to the front bedroom. So of course these bedrooms are a little bit larger because you have more overall square footage. Hall bath. And your spare bedroom. Again, French doors for the closets. Let's go ahead and open that up. So good closet space. And this is your AC closet. So you also have another coat closet in the hallway. And over here to laundry, to the garage, and the third spare bedroom. And this one has the ensuite bath. So this one has a dining living room combo. You obviously have the space for a full dining room and extra living space. Your kitchen, coffee area, very large pantry, tons of cabinet and counter space. And just to point out, we do have the tray ceilings with the recessed lighting and your master suite. So around here to the side, you have your closet. Very large and spacious closet. You have your water closet, and again the dual vanity with the garden tub, and your linen closet. And out back. So with the Trevi, you have a full back porch. You have outlets and everything up top. And again, you have a good sized yard. Again, this is the model home, so this is the corner lot. So you can see the lot spaces over here. And it does back up to that roadway. And that is the Trevi.